Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever scrolled through Instagram, you know it's a powerhouse of stunning visuals and captivating stories. But did you know it's also a gold mine for businesses and creators to promote their brands? Yes, I'm talking about Instagram ads. Today, I'm going to walk you through 6 simple steps to master Instagram ads and take your game to the next level. So let's dive in. Every successful campaign starts with a clear goal. Instagram offers a variety of objectives, whether it's increasing your website traffic, boosting engagement, or driving sales. Decide what you want to achieve with the ad. Instagram will optimize it for the specific outcome. Step 2. Target your audience. The beauty of Instagram ads lies in its targeting capabilities. You can pinpoint your audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and even the interactions with your profile. Craft a persona of your ideal customer and use it to target your ads effectively. Step 3. Set your budget and schedule. Now let's talk money. You can choose a daily budget to spread your spending over time or lifetime budget for the ad's total run. Plus, scheduling lets you decide when your ad will appear. Be strategic about when your audience is most active to get the best bang for your buck. Step 4. Design your ad. Here comes the fun part, creating your ad. Instagram supports various formats from stories, photos, videos to carousels and collections. Remember, your ad should blend in with organic content yet stand out enough to grab attention. Use high quality visuals and compelling to copy tell your story. Step 5. Place your ad. With the ad ready to go, it's time to choose where it will be displayed. Instagram offers placements in the feed, stories, explore page, and more. You can let Instagram automatically place your ad where it's likely to perform best. Step 6. Analyze and optimize. Finally, no ad campaign is complete without analyzing its performance. Instagram provides detailed metrics to help you understand what's working and what's not. Use this data to tweak your ads and strategy for even better results in the future. And there you have it, folks, mastering Instagram ads in 6 simple steps. Remember, experimentation is key. Don't be afraid to try different approaches and see what resonates with your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more digital marketing tips and tricks.